Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what you can do to make your videos look more vintage and retro and looks like it was filmed like back then. So what I like to do is I'm going to go to adjustments first, and I'm going to adjust the saturation just a little bit because we don't want a lot of color showing. You can even add in the sepia filter on top. If I can just find that. I cannot find it. Hold on. I'm just going to go to filters and I'm going to go to retro and see what they have and like add that on. Maybe like the 1981 or even the film one. Totally up to you. And then you're just going to go to effects and you're going to search for the Betamax effect. And you're just going to place it on top, and as you can see, it makes it have this like retro feel. If you don't want the filters, you can delete it, but I like to add that on just a little bit. And you can even add in like the bad quality, I think it's called, low quality effect on top to make it even look more like it was recorded on an old camera. And yeah, I like the other one better though, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!